Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a Next.js application to integrate various payment gateways such as Stripe, Razorpay, and PayPal and Coinbase. So this is actually the demo of the application. So it's a quick little application. So for get started, this is a directory structure. It's very easy for you to actually, the source code is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. After that, it's fully customizable. For each payment gateway, we have this TypeScript file and then you just need to create a .env file here and replace all the values for Stripe, Razorpay, PayPal, and Coinbase. And this is actually the demo. Let me show you. So for each of the payment gateway, if you click it, you will be redirected to the product screen. So this is as soon as we click the buy now button, it will redirect you to the Stripe. So we are actually using my own test details here. So here you will fill out the details and the payment will be successful. Same goes with the other networks as well. So if you click for PayPal, it will redirect you to the, this is a test mode. So in this easy way. And same goes with Coinbase as well, which is a crypto based network. You click buy now and automatically it's developed in Next.js. So as you can see, you just need to, after you purchase it, automatically the source code will be downloaded from Google Drive. And the very first thing you need to do is just create a .env file and replace all the values of the payment gateway such as Stripe, Razorpay, PayPal, and Coinbase. Replace it with your own values and then run the project npm run dev. So it will start the application for you. So each and every file is customizable. As you can see, it's coded inside TypeScript. So So you can even add more functionalities as well. So after you install all the modules at npm I, so you simply run the application by npm run dev. So as you see, we are actually using next latest version, and we are using PayPal, Stripe SDK, Razorpay, and also Coinbase as well. So if you're interested in this project, the link is given in the description. If you still face any problem, you can email me while running or deploying the projects. Is really simple. You can add your own products as well. But the main thing is the integration, and it's really simple. You just need to replace the values for Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay, and Coinbase. So I'm just using the test values. So for production level values, you just need to create an account there and paste the values inside this .env file. This is the product image. You can add your own products as well.